Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Ads for AI campaign automation step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Ads website by typing in ads.google.com. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your Google account email address associated with your Google Ads account. Click Next to proceed. Type in your password in the provided field. Click Next to log in. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Google Ads dashboard. Locate the Campaign Automation section on the left-hand menu. Click on Campaigns to view your existing campaigns. To set up AI campaign automation, click on the Tools and Settings icon at the top right. Under Setup, select Automated Rules. Click the plus icon to create a new rule. Choose the type of automation you wish to set up from the drop-down menu. Fill in the necessary details for your automation rule. Configure your desired triggers, conditions, and actions for the campaign. Review your settings to ensure everything is accurate. Click Save to finalize your automation rule. Your AI campaign automation is now set up and ready to optimize your campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.